Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a selection in Photoshop with the pen tool step by step. First step, I'll open your project or image, then select pen tool, right click, use pen tool, path selection, then select, click anywhere, example, hold Alt key, remove. Okay, then right click on your mouse, make selection, feather radius, use 0.5 pixels or 1 pixel. Example, use 0.5 pixels, click OK. Then use selection or use copy paste, press Ctrl C, then press Ctrl V or press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer, or directly remove the background, create a layer mask. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.